When I first started my business, I had to use social media in a totally new way. Obviously, most of us use social media to scroll, to catch up with old friends, and that's wonderful. But for some of us, social media can be extremely intimidating or overwhelming. It seems like there's all these new platforms being birthed every single day, and you're like, how should I show up? How do I maximize it? And so in today's video, I'm going to talk about how you can use social media based on what you're already good at so that social media can become something that's really fun in a way in which you can bring it into what you're already doing. So if you love talking on the phone already, maybe you talk to friends, maybe you talk to clients, maybe you just love chatting on the phone to any and everybody, some great social media opportunities for you would be podcasting. With podcasting, you get to just share your expertise and talk it all away. You don't have to worry about how you look. You just get to show up and talk. Also, Clubhouse. Clubhouse has been my absolute new fave because I could be folding clothes. I could have my daughters laying next to me. I could have my hair pinned up and laying in the bed. But I have found Clubhouse to be an amazing opportunity to reach the masses doing what you already love doing, which is talking on the phone. If you love using Zoom and you're not zoomed out yet, you love using Skype or FaceTiming your friends or your clients, then there are a couple different platforms that you can really maximize. You can use Instagram Live, you can use Facebook Live, and you can also use YouTube. These are all video opportunities for you to express yourself, get your expertise out there, and show up doing something that you already are good at and love to do. For me, I found that video converts so much better in my business because I get to show up and just be me. I get to show up and show my energy. I get to show up and slip up on words a little bit, but just be my authentic self. And I find that it draws my audience in even more. If you're an avid reader and you love learning new things, there's a lot of different opportunities for you. You can go onto different blogs, you can read different posts on social media, but the great way that that's going to work for you in business is that you actually get to engage when you're reading. So if you're reading someone's blog, engage. If you're reading someone's Instagram post, engage. And this is an opportunity to really build up community and really connect and collaborate with other people. And this works so well in business. If you're old school like me and you love to write, I think back to my middle school days and I wrote letters and passed them around to my friends before texting was a thing. Or maybe you're new school and you love texting. I love texting as well. But the great way that moves over into the social media world is that you can create posts, okay? If you have some expertise that you love to share and you just kind of want to get it out in a little blurb or say it really quickly, then create different posts on Facebook, on Instagram, or even Twitter. And this is a great way for you to share your expertise by also doing what you're already good at as well. Lastly, if you consider yourself a creative and you love being able to share your creativity with other people, two things come to mind for that. Reels are amazing because you get to take a simple concept, be creative with it, and show up online in a funny and engaging way. The second thing that comes to mind is Pinterest. Pinterest is an amazing platform that I actually think is highly underutilized. Pinterest is used not much like a social media platform in the way we think of Instagram or Facebook and the like. Pinterest is actually an amazing platform because it's much like a search engine like Google. And it's an opportunity for you to be able to share your creativity, maybe in a short video, maybe in a small little post. But it's an amazing opportunity for you to be able to allow people to window shop what it is that you have to offer. The truth is, social media doesn't need to be difficult. Social media doesn't need to be overwhelming. You can take what you're already good at, what you already love doing, and convert it to a way in which you can show up online, relate to your audience, draw them in, make deeper connections, create a ripple effect, and increase your impact and your income. So considering this, what are at least two different ways that you can show up online using what you're already good at? Maybe for you, you're super creative, so now you want to learn how to maximize Pinterest. Or maybe you love texting and you have a lot of expertise that you share in your text through your friends and your family and maybe even clients. How can you create amazing and engaging posts online as well? The point is, you don't need to be bogged down by being on every and any platform. You need to find the ones that you're good at. You need to find the ones where you can really meet your audience and the way in which you can engage with them in new and creative ways using what you're already great at. So I challenge you to shift the way that you feel about social media and show up in the way in which you're called to show up. Remember that your authenticity is your greatest asset. And when you understand that and you show up in an authentic way, you not only increase your magnetism, but you actually increase your overall success. Now you have the tools to make it happen. If you're looking for more tools on the aspiring coach journey, I have just the thing for you. If you use the link below, you can access my totally free Get Your Next Paid Client Now bundle, where I walk you through the process of not just increasing your magnetism, but also increasing your income as a coach. So use that link below, and I look forward to seeing you there.